Let's not call ourselves baby, okay? At least she's hydrating. When life is too bright, everybody hurts sometimes. Juice boxes save the day. A very patriotic drunk. Hangover burgers, the ultimate frenemy. Am I dying? When will the pain end? Bad egg gets it. Been there. Ignorance is bliss. It's always so true until it isn't. Packing peanut baths cure all. Stranger danger. But how did he get this picture? Just slightly less than flawless.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.